And we got Carne Asada Tostadas for the win tonight. We have the Spanish style rice as well as the corn salsa, pico, the cojito, the guacamole, and then we got corn on the cob and black bean salsa as well, cilantro, onion, and more.
Hey, Carne Asada Tostadas. Black bean salsa, corn salsa, guacamole, cherry tomato pico, and regular pico. Let's do it. Just chopping up vegetables. And then we have mayonnaise. Have my cilantro. Good to go. So let's chop up all the components. And the Carne Asada marinated. Alright, so we're just gonna go ahead and cut the onions. Okay, I'm gonna rinse my onions and I'll be back to cutting. It'll only be a second for you, but a lifetime for me. Right, we got some free space. So here's a jalapeno. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish cutting up the rest and be right back with you. Cherry tomatoes. Alright, so we have the avocado here. We're gonna go ahead and get that cut up. We got my cherry tomatoes and white onion, purple onion, jalapeno, tomatoes all cut up, and the extra onion. I got some cojito cheese. That one. This is from I think Wegmans. Y'all want to see me shuck corn? I'm gonna go ahead and put the beef on. The rice is done. I'm gonna bring you guys over here so you can see it. That's the meat is cooking. Let's go ahead and show the avocado. I'm just putting it in here. One of the avocados was bad, but the rest were just fine. I slit my fingers. This is a new knife. Mother just bought. She bought 2 of them. Oh, Joseph. My brother's name. But yeah, I went ahead. New knives, of course. New incidents. Always. Slit my finger. Luckily, it didn't bleed though. I sliced it like I was paying. See, I'm gonna do it again because it's so sharp. It goes right through the avocado skin. I was doing like this and it slid right through. I was like, why did I apply so much pressure to that? Did not need that much pressure. Okay, that's the last avocado. Those are just for us to eat. All right, I think my steak is finishing up. Let me check to see if it's done. That's the lime. Okay, we're finishing up. I feel like bringing out that cutting board again. Because now I'm making my bean salsa. But just without corn though, because my sister, because I'm already making corn salsa. So bean, jalapeno, and purple onion. And then we're going to add some of the cilantro. And lemon. These ones might be a little too big. Squeeze some of the avocado while I'm at it. I'm debating adding more black bean. Then I have a lime. Because I have another can, but we'll see if I'm add it in. I feel like I want to because I don't think this is enough for 3 of us. Let's see. Nope, I think it's not. I think I don't need the whole can, but I might use it. Just because we can always eat it tomorrow with our leftover tacos. Leftover tostada, leftover taco bowl, whatever we're going to make. Whatever we want to make. Let me drain this. I'll be right back. I went ahead and added tomato, jalapeno, and purple onion. Couldn't get that right. I might just add in the rest of the purple onion. Not gonna hold you, just because the other things are gonna have white onion anyways. All right. So that looks good. I'm gonna add in some pepper. Pepper in my avocado as well. And pepper on my Pico. Oh, I need to add some more pepper in there. And then dash of sea salt. Dash of sea salt. Sea salt. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add in some Goya, a little bit of salad and vegetable seasoning. Goya. I'm gonna let it sit and I'm gonna try it after I finish everything else. See if it needs anything else. Oh wait, I do like to add garlic powder, some garlic powder, and some onion powder. Do I want some red chili flakes? Nah, because just don't want too spicy. Let's go ahead and keep it like this. All right. And if you're unsure of the measurements of seasonings, just start off 1 teaspoon and keep going. Taste it, of course, as you go, and add in as much as you like. Okay. Now we're gonna go ahead and make the pico. So this is the black bean salsa. Set that to the side. Actually, put it in a dish. We'll set it to the side. Oh my God, barely. No. Goodness. We got that done for the corn salsa. Rinse the bowl out real quick. Okay, so we got corn. A lot of work. It is quite a bit of work, but it's not a lot I don't know how to describe it. It's not a lot to do. Yes, cool. So we're gonna put in some white onion. Oh, can you even see me? No, I don't know. I put in corn. Just the white onion. Just put in the rest of that. I'm gonna put some cilantro as well. That looks weird. Take that out. I forgot to put some inside the here as well. And this is going to be my cherry tomato. So I know I'm a bit everywhere. Sorry. ADHD is kicking in and I'm getting restless. And like I already, y'all saw, I salt and peppered this. Of course, I peppered it. You can tell. Oh, heck. I didn't save any onion for the cilantro and onion. Duh. That's why I wasn't supposed to. I might have to cut up some more onion. This got some tomato juice on it. And I want tomato juice on my... Wow, I really forgot to save some. All right, we're going to cut up some more onion. Let me BRB. Okay. I cut more onion. So I put it in here. And I put... cut up more cilantro as well. And here's the cilantro and onion for this mix. This is just cilantro onion mix. Not that wilted one. Sorry, y'all gonna see the real, because sometimes I don't pick out the proper leaves that need to be picked out. And if you want it smaller, chopped finer, like your cilantro, you go ahead and do that. I don't care. I chop it up really only because my mom, she's not a biggest fan of cilantro, but she'll eat it, and especially if it's, you know, I leave them huge in here in my own. But anyways, this is the cilantro onion. Put that to the side. Actually, I might cut up some more. I'm gonna use scissors, some food scissors to cut it up. So this parent knife works wonderful. It would work better if I had out my cutting board and I refuse to take it out. Like refuse. Don't feel like it. Or take out the cutting board. I already put it in the sink. Anyways, let's go ahead and mix mine. The cherry tomato salsa. I put in, of course, the tomato. Y'all saw onion and jalapeno, and that's it. And then I'm about to put some lemon and lime. Well, I'll probably just put lime in this one. So this one just needs lime. And then next I'm gonna do, well, I already have the cilantro one mixed up, so that's done. This one is regular Pico, so it already has the tomato, onion, I guess, and cilantro. But let me cut up a little bit more. I'm using my more fresher one. You can tell the difference. This one, yeah, it's a little different. So we're gonna go ahead and cut this up into the tomatoes. And then we're just gonna add lemon and salt and pepper. All right, that was enough pepper. And then I'm gonna add some pepper to my corn salsa as well. Then I will add in the lime, because I'm getting myself confused. So I'm gonna add the lime into this one here. It's going everywhere but the bowl. Add some lime. And I actually want lemon on mine, so I'm gonna just use the rest of this right here in mine. And I don't think I put lime in this one. I feel like there's something else I put in my my corn salsa. Should probably watch my own recipe, huh? I'll put in a little jalapeno, not that much. Just a little bit. A little more. Why not? Making a mess. Ooh, about to sneeze. Okay, I'm putting that much. Start off with that much because I always put in too much. I put in like about a spoonful of mayonnaise. I mean, I could put in probably some green chilies as well. I think I want to do that. I'm gonna put in a little bit of chopped chili. Oh, I'm already in like 40 minutes in this video. Okay, that in there as well. Stop the bit, pause the video. I'm gonna come back and all of it's gonna be combined. Cause all I'm gonna do is mash the avocado, so it's a guacamole, and then that's already stirred up and done or anything. That's done too. Okay, I added in the green chilies. Whole thing. Get in there. Yeah, get in there. Yeah. I feel like I want just a little bit more mayonnaise. Come on. Let me get another container for this and we'll be back and start the rice. Right now I'm just toasting the rice in here. I used the parboil long grain parboil rice, and I'm just toasting it first, giving it a little bit of brown, and then falling up with water. All right, and this is how brown I would like it. And then I'm just going to add 3 cups of water. All right. Give that a little quick stir. So this is going to have to come up to a simmer so that we can. I hope that's enough rice. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is add in the vegetable, because that's we add in vegetable. This is an all-purpose seasoning, so any all-purpose. Just put in like a scoop and a half of that. And then saison. This is the regular one. We also have the one with saffron. I'll put a healthy amount of that. I'd say like 2 teaspoons. Y'all probably should just put in 2 teaspoons. I probably put in a lot. Go ahead and add the sofrito. So we have a quarter of one right here. Crapola. Should I put in more rice? No, I should take out some liquid. Take out some liquid. I am about to mess up. I say take out a good amount. Take out about. I'll take out that much. You say it's about a quarter of a cup because the sofrito is gonna make. That's a sofrito. Put that in, and we like a little bit more, so I'm gonna put in some more. I got a chunk of it out. I hope. Oh, it's cold. Cold. Okay, that much. That much. That's a lot, ain't it? Oh, it smells so good. I love the smell of sofrito. So we're just gonna let that cook down. You want to see what it kind of looks like, and then we're gonna, once that's to a simmer, and you know all the sofrito is broken up, I'm gonna go ahead and cover it with a lid so that it can finish cooking. And then I'm gonna also add in some olives, some peas. We don't really like carrots, and I know I don't like cooked carrots. I love regular raw carrots, but not cooked. And we didn't add in anything else because the sofrito has everything else, you know, the onion and all that good stuff. Right back here's the rice, all done with the peas and olives. I hope you can see it well. That's the rice and how it came out. I have another pot right here on high. I just need to dry a little more. Right here on high to boil corn. And then I have this. It's all ready for me to go ahead and drop the carne. Let's go ahead and put this meat on. The marinade for a minute. Oh man. Oh, I love the smell of marinated meat. Okay, let's go ahead and get it out. All right, we're gonna do those 2 first, and I think there's 2 more in here. 5 minutes. We like ours medium. I say medium, or maybe medium rare sometime. I used to like my stuff done, like make sure that it's not moving at all, like. And I realized that actually hurts my teeth. I don't know. Ever since I started eating it medium well, it's been a lot better. Okay, I'm gonna go for like 1 more minute on this side. What are you making? Carne Asada Tostadas tacos. So this is just the carne asada meat. Yep, they're edging towards done. I already have some of my carne done here. I'm just gonna cover it up with a foil. Add the corn to the pot, making a mess. And the steak's finishing up, as you see there.
So everything is finished. We have the Spanish rice with the olive and peas, corn on the cob, and we have the carne asada meat that actually turned out medium well. In the cojito, I have the cilantro and onion, guacamole, the black bean salsa, the pico, the cherry tomato pico. That was just some extra black bean and jalapeno. And then we have the corn salsa and some extra stuff down on the side, like the sour cream, the taco sauce. And this is just an overall shot of everything that we enjoyed that night. We also had them along with tostadas and taco shells and tortillas, corn tortillas. I'm sorry about the flash. My phone was dying at this point.
Ain't it pretty? She made it all pretty. There's a tostada under there.